Regular maintenance and care are essential for extending the lifespan of vortex mixers and keeping them in optimal working condition. Proper care helps ensure reliable performance and minimizes the risk of unexpected downtime. Let's explore some key maintenance tips. Cleaning. After each use, wipe down the mixing platform and exterior surfaces with a damp cloth to remove any residue or spills. Periodic deep cleaning. Use a mild detergent and water to clean the mixing platform and any removable parts. Dry thoroughly before storing. Lubrication. Moving parts. Apply a small amount of lubricant to moving parts such as the mixing platform to reduce friction and wear. Calibration. Regular checks. Periodically check the calibration of the vortex mixer, especially if it has been dropped or subjected to significant impact. Professional services. Consider professional calibration services if you notice any discrepancies in performance. Storage. Dry and cool. Store the vortex mixer in a dry, cool place away from direct sunlight. Protected. Keep it covered or in a protective case when not in use to prevent dust accumulation. Safety checks. Inspect cords and plugs. Regularly inspect power cords and plugs for signs of wear or damage. Electrical connections. Ensure all electrical connections are secure and functioning properly. By following these maintenance tips, you can extend the life of your vortex mixer and ensure it performs consistently and reliably. Regular care not only prolongs the device's lifespan, but also maintains its accuracy and efficiency. Want to learn more about our products? Feel free to contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.